What is a mechanical keyboard, and why are so many people obsessed with them? Well, there are two main types of keyboards, membrane keyboards and mechanical keyboards. The difference between the two being one functions using a rubber membrane that's spread across the keyboard to register each key press, and the other uses individual switches. There is only one main advantage of membrane keyboards. They are insanely cheap. Other than that, they are not usually very durable, they sound and feel awful, they aren't very customizable, and they don't usually come in many layouts. Mechanical keyboards, on the other hand, have a huge array of different advantages. They are durable, insanely customizable, easy to modify, they feel and sound much nicer than membrane keyboards, and usually look beautiful. There is, however, a very large disadvantage: the price. A high-end keyboard build can cost hundreds of dollars, sometimes even thousands. Keyboard enthusiasts argue that they are worth the price, but others tend to disagree. One of the most talked about features of mechanical keyboards are the switches. There are three main categories of switches: linear, tactile, and clicky. Linear switches have a smooth downward force that you need to press the switch. Tactile switches have a tactile bump at some point in the key press that is very prominent when you press the switch. Clicky switches are the same as tactiles, and have a distinct click when you press down the switch. Each type of switch is usually associated with a colour, red being linear, brown being tactile, and blue being clicky.